Hey friends, what I'm going to explain now are tips shared by the technicians at this well-known appliance repair shop in the city, so don't worry, we're going to fix it. Basically, when your air conditioner shows the C1 error, it's alerting you to a problem with the temperature sensor or the communication between the indoor and outdoor units, and as a safety measure, it may stop the cooling cycle. Some clients tell us, I turned on the AC and C1 appeared and it stopped cooling completely, or I tried restarting it several times but the error kept coming back. This makes it clear that the system detected a problem and shut down to protect itself before any damage occurred. At the same time, many clients notice that before the error appears, the unit behaves irregularly. The fan changes speed on its own, turns off and on, or doesn't cool evenly. One client said, the air suddenly blew hot and then C1 appeared on the display. This confirms that the problem is usually related to the temperature sensor signal, or the communication between the indoor and outdoor units. From a technical perspective, the C1 error is usually linked to the temperature sensor, the indoor unit control board, or communication issues between the units that regulate operation and temperature. One technician told me, if the sensor signal is out of range or there's interference in communication, the board shuts down the system and shows C1 to protect the components. Even Samsung acknowledges that this error can appear if the sensor is faulty, or if there are loose wires or dirty connectors. There are also simpler situations that cause the same problem. Many times, clients bring in their AC and we find loose connections, corroded wires, or dirt buildup on the temperature sensor, which causes incorrect readings and triggers the code. Checking and cleaning these connections usually fixes the problem quickly, and clients are often surprised at how easy it was. Sometimes the C1 error happens because the temperature sensor is damaged or the control board has a minor fault. In the shop, we've seen that replacing the sensor or securing the connectors restores the AC to normal. One client said, I thought it was broken, but we changed the sensor and it worked perfectly again, showing that you often don't need to replace the whole unit. We also recommend checking the power supply and wiring, because if there are fluctuations, interference, or brief outages, the system can lock up and display the C1 code. Some clients say, it kept shutting off and then C1 appeared until we checked the outlet and wires, and fixing the installation usually prevents the code from coming back.